What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking in from a brand new location, Escapology, an escape room experience. And, well, we're going to be doing a little bit of a preview. Let's get to it.
Yes. Right, what I'm going to do first, we've got a very short message from our CEO, no, hang on, I'm the COO, from our CEO, Simon, who owns the company. He's just going to introduce what we're doing, and then we'll get you into the rooms. Because there's a slightly bigger group, I'm going to use Brandon to help. I'm going to split you into two groups, and we'll host you through, and we'll show you everything that we've got in the venue here. So it's 2 minutes and 14 seconds long. He is from the north of England, so if you need anything translated, let me know. It shouldn't glitch too much. It did a bit earlier, but we'll hope it's okay. So if Hannah will start playing. So.
Hi folks, welcome to Escapology and an insight into Orient Express. I must say it was a privilege and an honour when we got a call from the Agatha Christie estate asking if we'd be interested in partnering with them to create a murder on the Orient Express escape game. I mean, who wouldn't want to do that? Agatha Christie, the best-selling fiction author of all time, 2 billion copies worldwide, and this is her most famous title. How exciting is that? Well, we've had so much fun putting this game together with our creative team here, and this is what you're going to get a chance to preview today. We did already have a murder on a train game, so we've been kind of lucky that we've been able to adapt that into the most famous crime in history, but just using the technology, updating the game so it has the latest gameplay, the latest interactive puzzles that will kind of blow your mind, and there's a few little surprises in there too. So I've maintained since we started, escape rooms are here forever. They're just going to evolve. What does it say about the validity and the longevity of the escape room industry when massive global brands like Agatha Christie and Warner Brothers with our Scooby-Doo game getting involved in the escape room business? It's just going to be here forever, and it's so exciting. We've got other great titles lined up down the road, and we can't wait to share those with you too. And remember, Escapology is always a private experience. It's just you and your own private group. You'll never come into contact with any other people. The rooms are spotlessly, clinically cleaned between every single game, and the games are monitored by CCTV. We genuinely believe it is the safest form of entertainment in these very challenging COVID times. So we really hope you enjoy the experience. The team are there to look after you. My email is easy, simon@escapology.com. I'd love to hear from anybody and elaborate on any of these stories for you. So we hope you have a great time, and thanks for your interest in Escapology and specifically Agatha Christie's Murder on the Orient Express escape room. Hope you have a great time and hope to see you soon.
It was quite good, actually. It was quite quick. Cool. What? Okay, very short. Hey Brandon. Right, let's go. Something in the photos and videos.
Yeah, it's alright. We can pretend.
Yeah, so it's 1930s. It's a steam train. You're travelling. I can never work out which way I'm travelling because my brain won't.
Oh, look at all the booze.
I think we're going that way, but I'm not sure. It might be that way. I mean, there's still bottles of wine, but obviously the way that they're set up is different. Yeah, there's lots of things hidden away in this room. So. Yeah. He's definitely dead in there, so that's the connection to the end of the film. That's Mr. Ratchet, who at the end of the film was just...
This?
Super cool.
So a quick video, just kind of walk through.
There's real wine and joy.
Yeah.
Actually, I did think for a while, so why is someone buying this really expensive wine?
It's cool that it's like actual like good wines, like
I know.
Like Petrus and like Chateau Margaux.
We know the wines, which
that's cool.
Them, so.
Yeah, right. Hey, maybe someday that'll be
nice if it was real.
Oh my god, right? That's true.
Right, shall we go? If we're going to have a look at another room, we'll go next one now.
No.
Yeah, it's a totally new game of Thrones, so if you play good.
Budapest was up first though.
Yeah, it's cool, I'm still good. So when I played it, I don't get the end.
We were very confused. It took us
What are you doing?
I'm leaving my flop.
I drew the shenanigans.
Holy crap.
It's so dumb. Stop.
I wasn't expecting that.
first put it in,
Oh, no.
then when we put this in,
No.
the pressure will drop.
So bad.
Ooh.
Sarah. 2 hits.
Oh, I thought he lit up.
Your goal is to find all the oxygen silos and then put them back in.
Oh, it's a pentagram. My people.
Still there.
We're going to expand it to next door.
They were saying, when did you guys buy up that side?
We've had it for a while.
Guys, we're gonna have to like memorize all of our pictures and videos in this area.
Well, we keep uploading double games in here or like these other ones.
I literally have no idea. How do you even? See you later, Dan.
You're locking me in? No, 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 no!
Yeah. Let's get it here, dude. And I don't think I saw you play it. Dang it.
You stink at this game.
I'm doing horrible at this. Yes. Yeah, what was that?
Did I do that?
It's a pump rhythm. When we first got it, we worked with it. I think it's pretty big dash, but really big.
That's
Instead
fine.
of it shooting,
Play music while
coming
everyone
out
freaks
that way,
out.
it's shooting, it's directed out to go down into there.
Oh, good.
So you can guess the thing with this one.
Yeah.
It's a drug through. And my best story with this one is in the second room we got loads of fake cocaine and fake cash.
No way.
So we were trying to send it to Vegas or other store. We thought, well, pack it all up and send it through FedEx, and then realised that we probably shouldn't. because-
That's super funny.
I was scared, it's over.
Well, obviously.
That's so much money. Kenny, do you get it if you win?
Well, yeah,
Just tell me yes, get it.
you win $1 million, but
Do you get all the coke and all of the money?
then you've got to decide
Wait, how much coke are we talking?
Okay.
Oh man, I think I should keep those. I feel like you keep the money, I'll just
Take the cocaine.
sell that for the rest of my life.
Right?
Jesus.
You should do a Breaking Bad one. That would be so cool. Like, sorry.
Not the Amazon audio. Got me
Just really think of that, like, 5 years.
This is narco,
Ah.
This was a new one.
You remember it?
Yes. The fog machine escape.
I gotta have,
It's a good one.
I gotta have, what's his face? Get Jose to come and do it. Yeah,
This is our oldest room. It's been here a long time, this one, so. But it still does good business.
Yeah, but Andy loves you, cool.
You get the combination right, I'll be impressed.
Oh yeah, me too. Shoots anything right on the bro. What? Oh, yeah, that's funny.
Yeah, I can't even remember what it was. This was the second escape we've ever
Yeah.
done.
This is my first one. I did this first, so it was. I definitely remember doing it, but I remember not escaping.
I definitely got that.
Now I think, hang on, it's quite easy.
Looking again?
Yeah.
Yeah, beautiful.
Just the control room for the guys that are
I found the COVID vaccine, so that was fun.
Well, guys, that's going to do it for our video here from Escapology. I do want to say thank you to them for inviting us out for the preview. The rooms have incredible detail, and we will be back very soon to hopefully try one out. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.